Hey everyone, good morning. Ngayong umaga ay tatry ko naman si Matthew sa pag-perform ng numbers at saka alphabet. Kasi matagal-tagal na rin, mga ilang buwan na hindi ko na siya na subukang may tanong naman ulit. No, baka nakalimutan na niya kasi hindi ko na siya pinopwersa sa pag-aaral ng numbers at saka alphabet. Okay, let's start. Matthew, what number is this? What number? What number? What number?
One.
Very good. One. Naka nanonood sila ho. Faster. Number?
Two.
Number 2. Very good. This one, what number? Ay.
Four.
No. This one, what number is this?
Three.
3. Very good. This one, what number is this?
Four.
4. Very good. This one, what number is this?
Five.
Very good. This one, number?
Six.
6. Very good. This one, what number?
Seven.
7. Very good. This one, what number is this?
Eight.
8. Very good. Very good. How about this one? What number is this?
Nine.
Very good. This one, what number is this?
10.
10. Very good. This one?
11.
11. Very good. About this one, what number?
12.
12. Very good. This one?
14.
13. 13. Very good. This one, what number? Oh, no. Number?
14.
14. Very good. This one, what number is this?
8.
No. 5? 15.
15.
Ay. Number 5? Number 15. Number 15. 15. This one, number? What number is this? 6. Diretso. 16. What number? What number? What number? 16. 16. Very good. This one, what number? Oh, what number is this? What number? What number? Math. Anong number ito? Number? Sige, nakamalapit na. Number? What number is this? What number is this? Ito. 17. Louder. What number? Louder, para marinig nila. Number? Uy, number? Number? 7? 17. This one, what number is this? What number? 18. Very good. This one, what number? 19. Very good. This one? 20. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Very good ang baby namin. So, dun siya nagkamali sa 17. Oh, 17. Next is alphabet naman. Clap, clap, clap. Very good ang Matthew namin. Next is alphabet naman tayo, mga letters. Okay? Matthew. Okay, Matthew, what letter is this? What letter?